Do you hate small talk? Maybe you think it's a waste of your time. I used to think exactly the same thing, but learning to make small talk changed the way I managed people, and I really believe it can change the way you communicate at work too. In this video, I'll explain why small talk is one of the most important professional skills you can develop. I'll also show you how to start conversations naturally, what topics are safe to talk about, and how to keep a conversation going, even if you're shy. When I was working and managed a department of 10, they were all men. I was the only woman, and I was older than most of them. Every morning I would walk into the office and say hello and go straight to my desk and just start working. One day my boss called me into his office and he said, "Leanne, you'd be a much better manager if you spent a few minutes talking with your employees before you started working." Honestly, I didn't understand at that point. I thought it was a waste of time. I'm here to work. Why would I spend time chatting? Then he explained something I'll never forget. Small talk builds trust. It tells people, I see you, I'm interested in you, and I enjoy working with you. That conversation completely changed the way I looked at the workplace. But I had one big problem. What was I supposed to talk about? These are all guys, and my employees loved sports and beer. At that time, I couldn't have told you who won the Super Bowl or the World Series or anything about FIFA, but I decided to learn. I started reading the sports section online. I learned a little bit about football and basketball and baseball, and I learned about craft beer because that's what the guys were interested in. I wasn't trying to become a sports expert. I just wanted to understand enough to join the conversation. And you know what? It kind of worked. Those 2 or 3 minutes of conversation every morning made me a better manager because my employees trusted me more. So let's talk about what I call safe subjects for small talk. Safe subjects are topics that almost everyone can enjoy without creating an argument. Think about topics like the weather, restaurants, travel, sports, hobbies, movies, weekend plans. Notice what's missing from the list? Politics, religion, money. Those topics can easily divide people. When you're building a professional relationship, choose subjects that can bring people together. So let's practice. Imagine you're talking with a coworker. You could say, "My husband and I went to a new restaurant this weekend. I can highly recommend it." Now you've given the other person something to respond to. They might ask, "What kind of restaurant was it? What did you order? Where is it?" That's how conversations begin. Maybe you could ask someone, "Did you do anything fun this weekend?" If they answer, don't stop there. Ask one more question. "Oh, really? Tell me about it." That's the secret. You don't have to be funny. You don't have to be fascinating. You just have to be interested. People enjoy talking when someone listens. Remember, small talk isn't really about restaurants, sports, or the weather. It's about building trust. It's about showing genuine interest in another person, and that's a skill that will help you in every workplace, in every country, and in every language. I'd like to hear from you. Are you comfortable making small talk, or do you find it difficult? Leave me a comment below. Tell me one safe subject you enjoy talking about. And if you'd like more practical English tips to help you communicate confidently at work and in everyday life, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.